So this is a car that I get to drive on our team. That is a 2001. It was a European Supercup that ran the European Supercup series. This car was campaigned by Pedro Couceiro in that series. He performed pretty well in the car. So, you know, these Supercup cars have it feels to me like a little bit of extra juice in them versus some of the regular 996 Cup cars. This car I had last year, you may have seen it on HSR in more of a McDonald's livery. I'm in the process of taking this car back to the as raced in 2001, and that's where the dark blue fenders, rockers. So this car will get back to exactly as raced by Pedro Couceiro.
How you
in
do that?
2001.
You got some old pictures of the car. You talk to.
Yeah, we just do research. I've reached out, made contact with Pedro on Facebook. You know, he's very excited about the fact that his old car that he probably didn't even know existed anymore when he was racing these things back in the day. I'd love to get him out to see the car someday, but we do have photographs of the car as raced. We've been able to do some research. We've also got magazines that came with this car. So we've got history. So we've got our guys that will work on bringing this car back to the as raced livery from 2001. And we'll continue to campaign this car in HSR. The 996 is, you know, it was the first generation of the water-cooled cars. It was really the first of the what are the modern-day GT Cup cars. And, you know, this was still an H-pattern car where you had to shift the gears, no sequential, no paddle shifters, just a raw driving experience. The cars were still on a narrow body chassis and body work for the really smooth cutting through the air. Just an absolutely amazing car to enjoy and race.